Hi, today in Trak, I want to talk to you about scripts, where they can be used, and the benefits of having set wording used throughout the platform to save time and improve communication with customers and clients. So, the first thing we want to look at with our scripts is the areas that we might use them and how do we create them. So, in the Track platform, you'll see lots of areas where scripts can be used. Now, a script is set wording that you might use regularly in your business. Now, this can be used when you're creating a quote or an invoice. It can be used when you're creating a job as a job description, when you're sending an email or a text message. It can be used on reports. It can be used writing notes. So effectively, when we're looking at our Track platform, anywhere in the Track platform where we see our text box, you can put scripts. So for example, here in our text box, you'll see that I've got a little scripts tab. This means that there are different options that I can use to select and drop scripted words into the platform that can be edited or changed to suit the wording I need, but it just means I don't have to continually type that same wording throughout the platform. Now, the next place we want to look at scripts is how we create them and the best way to use them. So as usual with Track, most of our settings are done under our settings tabs at the top, and we're going to go down to our templates. And from our templates, we can see we've got a script templates option at the bottom here. With our script templates, you'll be able to see a history of the scripts that you've already created. You'll be able to manage those by clicking the three dots on the right-hand side, editing or deleting those. And obviously, you can create more scripts. There's no limit to the amount of scripts or the size of script that you use. It's up to you. So like I touched on earlier, there are lots of different places and ways that you can use scripts in the Track platform. So the first thing that we want to think about is where we're going to use this script, and that would be this script category option that we're looking at here. Uncategorized means that the script will show everywhere that you are using scripts. So it will show on a job description, it will show on a text message, it will show on a report or an email. It shows everywhere. If you only want it to show in a certain spot, then choose a category. So if it's a booking reminder, I just want it to show as an email. If it's a job creation script or something like that, you've got all these little options that you can use. Now, scripts can be really simple. It can be as simple as this is the footer that I want to put on my emails. Or it can be more detailed, like a booking confirmation or an invoice reminder follow-up or a task list for contractors or staff. It can be really detailed or really basic. It's up to you how you want to use them. Obviously, the wording is entirely up to you. So templates can be simple. You can just type in, set wording, save it, and use it. But you've also got the ability to use all these placeholders that you'll see below. This will pull information from the job that you were using the script on. So for example, if we were going to create a booking reminder, you might want to grab the client's name. You might want to grab the next booking date for the job. You might want to grab who's booked onto the job. You might want to grab some contact information from you or the business. There's lots of information that you can use in your scripts that will self-populate from the job to personalize the script that you're sending to the customer. So instead of having a very generic looking script that comes out, you can actually grab the customer's first name, you can grab your name, you can grab your mobile number, you can grab your email address, the next booking dates, times, users. To use these placeholders, you can just select it and it will drop it into the script. Okay, so this is a great way for you to be able to personalize the platform. You can use scripts for all sorts of things. So you might want to have a script that you send out after a job that is a Google review. You can obviously have a link in here. So using your editing box at the top, you might want to insert a link to your Google review into the script as well. So it's all set and structured, ready to go to suit your business needs. Now, obviously, when we're on a job and you've got your scripts saved, you can use them in lots of different places. So for example, if I click on a job here, I'm going to be able to use a script when I'm sending an email. So when I click on my new email tab, I can see here that I've got scripts, and these are my email scripts. So I can select my script here, and you'll see that it'll grab placeholders. Placeholders like the client's name, It'll grab placeholders for my name, wording, details, whatever's relevant to you. You can add to scripts or remove from them. It's really simple to get the bulk amount of detail into the job. So if you are a business that does really detailed on-site reporting, scripts might be really handy for you. So if you've got a script where you want to put in your details and you've got a text box and you're completing it, you might have scripts that show here so that you can drop it into the system really, really quickly so that your staff aren't typing the same things all the time, but it might just be a really professional introduction and the guys add to it quickly. Okay. This allows you to personalize the platform the way that you want, having consistent messaging that's coming out of the platform, and most importantly, it's spelt correctly, it's presented the way that it suits your business. The other thing that is really important about scripts is how they link to your automations. So we've touched on the fact that you might want scripted words that might be a booking confirmation, scripted words that might be a follow-up to a quote. In your Trak account, you've got your name, company settings, and automations. In your automations, you'll see that you can use different scripts at different times in the system as well. So if I create a new automation, I can see here that I've got a trigger. So it might be something simple like a quote status has been changed. It's been changed to awaiting approval. So I've sent a quote to a customer. So what might I want to do? Well, I might want to send them a text message. So I've now sent the quote via email to the customer. I might want to send them a follow-up text message, and I want to send that to the main job contact, and I want to send that, I want to delay this for, 2 hours. I can add my different scripts in here. Okay, so I might want to have a follow-up, So really simple, you can add the details in, you can use your scripts here so that you can have personalized automations that come out of the platform. So you've got scripted words and then you've got the ability to automate those scripts at times that suit your business needs. This is all about saving your time, having consistent wording that comes out of the platform, making sure that you're proactive with your customers instead of reactive all the time. If you'd like to know more about scripts, how they might be able to be used in your business, you need a hand setting them up, reach out to our team at contact@trak.co.